This first generation Ring doorbell lasted about 6 years. It was connected to the existing doorbell wiring to a standard transformer and chime. The unit would likely have kept working, but the internal battery failed and wasn't designed to be replaced. For a replacement, I purchased a 2021 release of the Ring Video Doorbell Wired. It retails for about $60. It is smaller than the first generation, just slightly bigger than a traditional doorbell. The 2021 unit required bypassing the existing doorbell chime, requiring the use of a Ring Chime or Alexa-enabled device, such as an Echo Series voice assistant.
Motion detected at the front door bell. Someone is at the front door bell.
We can't answer the door right now, but if you'd like to leave a message, you can do it now.
After several months of use, I ran into an issue. The doorbell transformer is connected to the same circuit as my evaporative cooler. In the winter months, I shut off the power to the cooler at the circuit breaker panel to avoid the cooler being accidentally turned on when the gas furnace is on. This would turn off the power to the Ring doorbell as well. To resolve this, I decided to bypass the existing wiring using a 24-volt C-wire transformer adapter that sells for around $15 on Amazon. This adapter plugs into a standard 120-volt outlet, and the wires connect to the back of the doorbell. This allowed me to keep the existing wiring in place if I decided to revert back to the transformer. To ensure the adapter is not tampered with or damaged by weather, I decided to plug it into an outlet in the interior of my home, running the wires through the wall and using the existing hole. With careful measuring, I cut a small hole with a multi-tool to view and ensure there were no electrical wires traversing the area I intended to drill. After drilling a small hole, I used a 1/4 inch wooden dowel and taped the leads, pulling them through to the other side. Then I was able to make the connections to the doorbell. Please subscribe and click on the notifications so you can get additional instruction as soon as it's published.